Welcome to our fact channel. Our channel has well-known, little-known, and unknown facts. Today we will discuss facts about Mars. Let's start. Mars is often called the red planet due to its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide rust on its surface. Mars experiences extreme weather conditions, including dust storms that can cover the entire planet for months at a time. Evidence suggests that Mars once had rivers, lakes, and possibly even an ocean billions of years ago, indicating a wetter, warmer past. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which are irregularly shaped and likely captured asteroids or debris from impacts. Scientists have detected methane in Mars' atmosphere, a gas that could indicate the presence of microbial life or geological activity. Olympus Mons, a massive shield volcano on Mars, is the tallest mountain in the solar system, towering over 21 kilometers 13 miles high. Mars has polar ice caps made of water ice and frozen carbon dioxide, which expand and contract with the seasons, similar to Earth. Valles Marineris is a system of canyons on Mars that stretches over 4,000 kilometers 2,500 miles long, making it the largest canyon system in the solar system. Mars experiences dust devils, whirlwinds that pick up dust and sand from the surface, creating visible tracks and helping to shape the landscape. Hematite, a mineral that forms in water, has been found in abundance on Mars, providing strong evidence for the past presence of liquid water. Mars experiences Marsquakes, similar to earthquakes on Earth, which provide valuable information about the planet's interior and geology. Phobos and Deimos, Mars moons, are much smaller than Earth's moon and have irregular shapes, likely formed from captured asteroids. Mars is known for its massive dust storms that can cover the entire planet, sometimes lasting for months and affecting spacecraft operations. Mars experiences seasonal changes due to its axial tilt and orbit, causing variations in temperature, weather patterns, and polar ice caps. NASA's Curiosity rover has been exploring Mars since 2012, conducting experiments to study its geology, climate, and potential habitability. Sunsets on Mars appear bluish in color due to the scattering of light by the fine dust particles in the atmosphere, creating a surreal sight. NASA's Perseverance rover, launched in 2020, is exploring Mars' Jezero crater to search for signs of past microbial life and collect samples for return to Earth. Dust devils on Mars leave behind tracks in the dust and sand, which have been observed and photographed by spacecraft orbiting the planet. The detection of methane in Mars' atmosphere has intrigued scientists, as it could be produced by either biological processes or geological activity. Mars colonization has been a topic of interest for space agencies and private companies, with plans for establishing permanent human settlements in the future. NASA's Curiosity rover has discovered ancient lake beds and river channels on Mars, providing evidence for the planet's past habitability. Mars' soil, known as regolith, is rich in iron oxide, giving it a reddish-brown color and making it potentially useful for future human missions. NASA's Opportunity rover, which operated on Mars from 2004 to 2019, discovered evidence of past water activity and explored the planet's geology. Mars experiences auroras similar to Earth's northern and southern lights, created by interactions between the solar wind and the planet's magnetic field. Mars has about 38% of Earth's gravity, which would affect human physiology and the operation of machinery on the planet's surface. Scientists study dust storms on Mars to better understand their dynamics and their impact on the planet's climate and surface conditions. The reddish color of Mars' surface is due to the presence of iron oxide rust, which gives the planet its distinctive appearance. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 3 times taller than Mount Everest on Earth. Mars' geology is diverse, with features such as impact craters, volcanoes, valleys, and sedimentary rock formations, providing clues about its past environment. Methane has been detected in Mars' atmosphere, raising questions about its origin and whether it could be a byproduct of biological activity. Mars' magnetic field is much weaker than Earth's, allowing the solar wind to strip away its atmosphere over billions of years. Mars has extensive sand dunes shaped by wind erosion and deposition, which can be several hundred meters high and cover large areas of the planet's surface. Fine dust particles suspended in Mars' atmosphere give the sky a pinkish hue during the day and contribute to spectacular sunsets and sunrises. Phobos and Deimos, Mars' moons, are thought to be captured asteroids or debris from impacts, with Phobos being closer to the planet than Deimos. The origin of methane on Mars is still a topic of debate among scientists, with potential sources including biological activity, volcanic activity, or chemical reactions. Mars' surface is covered in various types of terrain, including plains, mountains, valleys, and impact craters, shaped by geological processes over billions of years. Methane levels in Mars' atmosphere vary seasonally and spatially, with some regions showing higher concentrations than others, adding to the mystery of its origin. Mars has thousands of impact craters, ranging in size from small pits to large basins, providing valuable information about the planet's geological history and age. NASA and other space agencies are planning missions to return samples from Mars to Earth, allowing scientists to study the planet's geology and potential for life in detail. Dust storms on Mars can be so intense that they obscure the surface from orbiting spacecraft and pose challenges for solar-powered rovers on the ground. The discovery of methane plumes on Mars has sparked excitement among astrobiologists, as it could be a sign of active biological or geological processes beneath the surface. Mars' atmosphere is composed mostly of carbon dioxide, with traces of nitrogen and argon, and is much thinner than Earth's, making it unable to support human life without protection. Evidence of water on Mars includes ice caps, polar deposits, and seasonal flows, suggesting a dynamic water cycle and potential habitats for microbial life. Mars has a cold and dry climate, with average temperatures around -80 degrees Fahrenheit, -60 degrees Celsius, and very low atmospheric humidity, similar to Antarctica on Earth. Mars' topography varies widely, with highland regions, lowland plains, deep canyons, and volcanic features, shaped by geological processes and impacts throughout its history. Mars' soil contains minerals such as perchlorates, which could be harmful to humans but could also provide resources for future exploration and colonization efforts. Mars' thin atmosphere provides little protection from solar radiation and cosmic rays, posing challenges for future human missions and the health of astronauts. Unlike Earth, Mars has a weak magnetosphere, which contributes to the loss of its atmosphere to space over billions of years, affecting its climate and habitability. Mars has a complex volcanic history, with evidence of ancient and possibly recent volcanic activity, shaping its surface and releasing gases into the atmosphere. The presence of methane on Mars is intriguing, as it could indicate either biological processes, such as microbial life, or geological processes, such as serpentinization. Mars experiences seasons similar to Earth due to its axial tilt, but they are about twice as long because of its longer orbit around the Sun. Thank you for watching our video Interesting Facts about Mars. Subscribe, put a like, and to new interesting facts.